In a bowl, mix 1 handful carrots, 1 handful cabbage, a quarter teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, add 1 egg, give everything a nice mix and keep it aside. Take 2 bread slices, spread butter on both sides of both the bread slices. On a griddle kept over low flame, place the bread slices. Flip over and fry until both sides are nice and brown. Spread some butter and pour the egg mixture. Make sure you adjust it according to the size of bread. After a minute, flip it over and cook for another minute. Now let us assemble the sandwich. On a bread slice, sprinkle about half teaspoon sugar, place the cooked egg, some tomato sauce, some mayonnaise, a slice of cheese, again half teaspoon sugar, the other slice of bread. South Korean style sandwich is ready. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.